As you can see, I have my HelloFresh box right here. I am not going to show my face on camera today because it's not looking good, but I did want to show you guys my box and the recipes that I picked. So the recipes that I picked were the herby chicken over lemony spaghetti. So for this box, I was really trying to get the low calorie option. So this one is 750 calories. Then I also picked the, I don't know if I'm saying that correct, bavette steak and roasted garlic pan sauce with mashed potatoes and asparagus. And this one comes at 800 calories. That's really good. That looks delicious, and I know mine is not gonna look like that. And then the last one is garden spinach ricotta ravioli with zucchini ribbons, tomato, and creamy lemon sauce. This one comes in at 540 calories. Wow. Yes, Bubba. What do you think? Do you think Mama picked good recipes? Say yes. Uh-oh, don't lose your treats. So everything came in this box. I guess this is an insulation. Yeah, the Climacell insulation to keep everything nice and cold. Everything comes individually bagged. So this bag has everything for the herby chicken over lemony spaghetti, garden spinach ricotta ravioli, and this bag has everything for the bavette steak dinner. And I was wondering if the meat was in each individual bag, but it is not. It is located underneath this cardboard divider. This pack is ice, and it was a really thick pack of ice. I was wondering how well this box was gonna hold, say if I wasn't home for a while, but I think it'll hold pretty well because it did have 2 of those packs. And this is everything that came underneath the ice pack. It came with chicken cutlet. I'm assuming there's 2 in there because this is a recipe for 2. Spinach and ricotta ravioli. And then sirloin bavette. 2 servings in here. That is tiny. And then it had some seltzer. But yes, that's everything that was in my HelloFresh box. I just wanted to go ahead and share that with you guys. Now I have to figure out. Yes, my little bug. Does it look delicious? Yeah? Alright. Alright guys, I just wanted to share with y'all what was in my first HelloFresh box. See you later.